Hey guys, so the lock we're going to be working on today is this Keymark by Medico. Just I've picked this before, just never on camera. Figured I'd get it on Excuse me. Figured I'd get it on camera just because, why not? I'm really actually more excited about the thing that I got in the mail today. But let's pick this and then we'll take a look at that. we go. Lock is open. Now we can get to what I really wanted to show you guys. So let's drop it out of the vise here. Now this was made for me by a user on Reddit. I'm not going to put his name in this video, but I will post this video to Reddit and I'll mention his name there. So he made this for me over the course of the last couple of weeks. Sorry, let me just set this over here so you guys can see it. But check this out. So made me a little pinning tray. It's pretty thin, easily manageable on my desk, and he inscribed my name in here, laid some picks into the wood, and then he lacquered it all over real nice. And I don't know what this stuff is. This black is like a rubbery material almost to give you a little bit of grip, so I guess so your pins don't roll around, or I don't know what, but it's just absolutely beautiful. I love it. Thank you so much. You know exactly who you are. As for now, let's go ahead and gut this thing, and we'll put this new tray to some use. What do you think? Right away I'm seeing the benefit of that, because I can do that with a kick cylinder down on it, and the tool won't remove the kick cylinder, or won't relock it, so that's convenient. This might be the right size follower. No. Okay, and I dropped my follower. Hold on. All right, here we go. Perfect. Pin 1 and 2, I'll have to figure out the order of those in a minute. Accidentally dropped 2 of them. So let's not go getting all kind of confused here. Number 5 and number 6. Well, pin 1 and pin 2 are actually the same length by looking at the key, so I'm just going to leave them whatever. Okay, there's the bottom pins. Now for the drivers. There's number 1, standard spring. Number 2, standard spring. Number 3, standard. Different length. Looks like there is an attempt at balanced pin stacks here. 4, standard. You know, I sent one of these to somebody else on Reddit, and his was full of, well, there's a spool. His was full of like spool pins and strange key pins, and it's kind of odd to me that mine is not. It's unfortunate. I wish it was a little bit of a more challenging pick. They're still fun. That keyway makes them tricky. That is the Keymark keyway. So you know it's tough to work around that. And the hardest part is these 2 90-degree turns right here. You've got a 90-degree turn here. Sorry, let me get that to focus. A 90-degree turn here going this way, and then you've got another 90-degree turn coming up this way. And you can work, let's see if I can get some light on that. If you look, you can actually slip the pick in between little holes that the pins rest in. So you can see my pick there going up high into the keyway, and that's slipping through a little hole that they cut in the warding, which other pickers have shown and mentioned before. But so that's actually, you can kind of use it as an index to find each of the pins. So that's cool. Here we go. This is the pinning on this lock. 4 standard key pins in 1 through 4, 2 spooled key pins in 5 and 6, 4 standards, 1 through 4 up top, 1 spool in 5, and a standard in number 6. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or anything, if you guys are working on one of these locks and you want some pointers or whatever, just give me a shout, leave a comment. Once again, thank you, and have a great day.